What happens when you want to film a nail video? And this is what happened. Story of my life. I have another one. Oh my god, you have no idea how sad I am. They were doing so good. They were doing so good. Even this one has a crack. I don't know if you can tell, but this one's breaking soon too. I was so happy and excited to do my how I grew my nails video, and this is what happened. I don't know what to do now, if I should still film it or this is so sad. This is so sad. I don't know what to do. So let's get started with the makeup tutorial. For my base, I'm actually going to use a primer because I want this to be very summer friendly, and because it's so hot, I don't want you to cake up your face with too much product. So this one's from Maybelline. This is their Gigi Hadid collection, and this is their tinted primer in the shade light medium, and this is priced at ₹4.99. So because I'm already sweating so much, I personally don't want one to cake up my face, so I'm just going to apply this all over. So I'm just going to take like 2 pumps of this like this, and then just use my fingers to spread this across. So this on its own has quite a bit of a coverage actually, and I really like the texture of this, so I thought I should just use this. And because this is a drugstore makeup tutorial, I thought of keeping the products as affordable and accessible as possible. Now, I read most of your comments and they were so nice, so thank you so much. It wasn't that scary to scroll down my screen, and every one of you were so supportive and super nice, so thank you so much. And as you can tell, just using the primer alone is giving me such a nice coverage. And I'm sure like when most of you guys are like getting ready in the morning, you don't have time to kind of apply foundation, take your time, so this would, I think, be a really nice look for them too. And I'm thinking of wearing like a nice colorful winged eyeliner that matches this dress. This is actually a playsuit that I'm wearing, so it's going to be a nice green eyeliner. There's a pigeon fighting outside my window. Please stop fighting. Okay, there we go. I have a little bit of redness here, so I'm just going to take a little bit more, just a tiny bit. I have this acne scar, so I'm just going to use my finger to kind of like push it in. And I'm also going to take a little bit more here because I have this pimple that just recently came and went. My skin is actually doing so well that I can't believe that I'm only wearing primer. This is insane. The Bija Sika range is doing wonders on my skin. I really like it. Okay, then for concealer, I'm not going to use too much. I'm just going to use like 2 drops like this, not drops, I mean dots, like this, just to highlight the under eye just a little bit. I'm going to use a brush. Where is my PAC 221 brush? I love that. And I'm just going to use this. As you can tell, it's slightly lighter than the rest of my face, and that's just going to highlight that area. And I'm also going to bring it all the way till my eyelid. I'm not going to apply powder immediately, but I'm just going to use a little bit of tissue to soak out all of the excess oil. I have really oily skin, so I'm just going to matte it out. And then later, if we need a little bit more coverage or if we need to powder my face, I'm just going to go in and do that. But this is going to make sure that everything is matte. And yeah, let's move on to the next step. So I'm going to do my eyebrows now, and I'm going to use this pencil from Faces. This is their Ultim Pro Brow Defining Pencil. This is a dark brown color. So I'm using that to fill in my eyebrows. I'm doing like small strokes so that it looks pretty natural. I love doing my eyebrows. I don't like skipping this step whatsoever. So eyebrows and eyelashes are two of my favorite things to do. So yeah, just do a little bit of my eyebrow, nothing special, just filling up the sparse places. And because this comes with a spoolie, so it's pretty easy to kind of like blend the eyebrow pencil. It's so difficult to talk and do your makeup at the same time. Yeah, I think that's it for the eyebrows. I really like this. It's a great affordable eyebrow pencil. Then I'm going to use an eyeshadow from Essence, if I can find it, and find my... Today I'm being such a messy filmer right now. If you see the situation here, it's so difficult for me to find products. But I'm going to use this eyeshadow. This is from Essence. It's a beautiful metallic eyeshadow. This is their eyeshadow with metallic texture in the shade Hello Goldie, and it's priced at Rs. 299. So I'm just going to take a little bit onto my finger and then just use that and tap it on my eyelids. Like so. I decided to just use my fingers. I thought that will just be faster because I'm not doing anything special, and I can use the brush at the end to kind of like blend the edges away. I really like the Essence eyeshadows. I think they're amazing for the price, and the shade is like a very nice cool toned champagne shade, so I think it'll go very well with the green eyeliner that I will be applying on top of this. So I'm just using the fluffy brush to kind of like blend it out. I know it looks really weird and pale right now, but I think once I apply the eyeliner, it should be fine. And if it's not, we'll do something to fix it. It's okay, it's just makeup. You don't have to be perfect. Just keep doing. Okay, my hands are so oily. And I broke the pencil. Oh no, this was so nicely sharpened. Okay, I have to quickly go and find my sharpener. I hope there's one nearby. Because these pencils are so soft, they kind of break very easily. So you have to be super careful. I'm gonna just sharpen this. My hands are so oily that I'm not able to do that. Okay, I've sharpened the pencil and hopefully this time it wouldn't break. So I'm gonna do like this nice winged eyeliner, and a lot of you actually ask me how I draw my winged liner using a kajal or using a pencil. So hopefully this video helps you guys out. So at first, start with something that is really soft and pigmented so that it does not really pull onto or tug on your eyelids. So I kind of like just see, you can like start from here and you can already tell how pigmented this is and how soft this is. So it's actually very easy for me to use this. I forgot to mention what color and what brand is this from. So this is the Faces Ultim Pro Mystic Kajal in the shade green. I really like this color. And okay, I hope I'm in focus. This is what I like to do. Start from the corner, very gentle, very gentle, like this, and pull it outwards like so. And I'm gonna pull it inwards now, like this, and connect it. If you want, you can tug in a little bit. Be very gentle. And now I'm gonna go on to the other side before the pencil gets blunt. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing. You can look straight onto your mirror and see like how you've angled it on the other eye. Try to get it even. I think that should work. And then connect it like this. Like so. So now I'm just going to fill it in. And yeah, this is how you would draw a winged eyeliner using a pencil. It's actually very easy. Okay, so we're done with the eyeliner. They're not the most even, but I think I can work with it. Oh god, so I don't know if you guys ever notice this or know this, but this eye is hooded and this eye isn't. So if I like look straight, this eye just goes in completely and this one doesn't. So I thought I'll just randomly mention that in this video. Yeah, so I'm just going to curl my lashes. And now I'm going to use my favorite drugstore mascara. This is the Maybelline Push-Up Drama. Falsies Push-Up Drama, and I'm gonna apply that both on my upper and lower lashes. If you want, you can even take whatever's remaining on the mascara just to set your eyebrows. That's one of my favorite tricks to do. A lot of you also ask me how I apply my mascara, so I just like to wiggle it and pull it upwards like so that it deposits as much product as it can. My lashes don't really show up on camera, but they're actually much longer than they seem on camera. Like if you see me in person, my lashes would look much denser and longer and thicker than it does here. I love this mascara. Look how pretty it is. So I'm just going to apply that on my lower lashes too. Moving on to my blush, I'm going to apply this from Wet n Wild. This is their Color Icon blush in the shade Pearlescent Pink. It's a very nice coral shade, so I'm just going to take a little bit. And for highlighter today, I'm going to use this one from PAC. This is their Baked Highlighter, and this is in the shade number 7. So I'm gonna apply it on the high points of my cheeks. Okay, this highlighter though, I think I kind of went overboard. That's okay. It's gonna look really nice in pictures. Before I apply lipstick, I'm just gonna set my face using the Wet n Wild Natural Finish setting spray. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did not apply any powder, and I'm trying to kind of avoid powder on my skin because I've realized that kind of breaks me out, and yeah, I kind of just use like a tissue to blot anything excess on my face. And yeah, so I just blotted off excess setting powder, setting spray as well, and because I also applied setting spray, so it's going to help the makeup last on longer. I am going to use this one from Maybelline. This is in the shade Lover. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how you guys like this. Make sure you are subscribed for more videos like this, and I'll see you super soon. Yep, I don't know what to do about my nail videos, so I don't know what to do. They're broken. Does it even make sense for me to film it now? Let me know in the comments down below. It'll mean a lot. Your suggestions and help would mean a lot. It would actually let me decide what to do. So anyway, I think I should leave now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!